Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to enable Adobe Flash Player on Google Chrome if no playable sources are found. So this is going to be a pretty straightforward tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Google Chrome web browser. I've already opened it up. And now I'm going to go up to the menu icon with the three vertical dots at the top right corner. And I'm going to left click on it. And then I'm going to left click on Settings. Now I'm going to scroll down until I get to Advanced right here. And now I'm going to scroll down again until I get to Content Settings right here. Control what information websites can use and what content they can show you. And I'm going to left click on it once. Underneath Flash, I'm going to left click on it once. If it says allow sites to run Flash, you want to make sure this is blue and it's all the way over. If it's like this, you want to left click on it once to toggle it to the blue position. Underneath Ask, if you wanted to ask first, just toggle it once to the blue position. You do not necessarily want this blue if you just want it to automatically open up Flash content. And once you've done that, you can close out of the web browser or go back in the settings menu and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.